Welcome to the REDATS channel. Thinking about getting a premium wheel balancer? My name is Hubert, and in today's video I'll walk you through 3 models from the W8 series that might just catch your eye. I'll show you their core features and explain the differences between each program. That way you'll know which machine fits your needs best. Let's get started. The premium W8 series wheel balancers are machines made in Italy. The first model I'll talk about is the REDATS W820. This is a machine that has everything you need for effective and efficient work. It handles wheels ranging from 8 to 35 inches in size. It features an automatic measuring arm that reads the distance and wheel diameter as soon as it's placed under the rim. There are 3 main working modes: Standard, ALU and ALS, so you can easily adjust the program to match the type of wheel you're working on. The measurement time on machines from this series is just 5.5 seconds. It also comes with a hidden weight program, allowing you to place the weights behind the spokes for a cleaner, more aesthetic look. The machine supports both motorcycle and off-road wheels. It includes optimization and dual operator modes, and lets you balance wheels in both static and dynamic modes. This model is a great fit for small car services looking to expand their services into tire balancing. The next machine in this series is the W-870. It's a larger and slightly more advanced model than the W-820. It comes with a large screen and a clear, easy-to-read interface. There's also a small, simple and convenient keypad that's always within reach. Just like the previous model, it handles wheels from 8 to 35 inches. It also features an automatic measuring arm to read the wheel parameters. The balancer is equipped with an intelligent Easy Sonar Data System, or ESD for short. It uses preset steel rim width values stored in memory, so when you place the arm under the rim, the machine automatically selects the correct wheel width based on the data it reads. This model offers 7 dedicated ALU programs for alloy wheels, allowing you to match the settings precisely to the wheel you're working on. Measurement time is also just 5.5 seconds, same as the W820. The machine can balance steel, alloy, motorcycle and light commercial wheels. It supports both dynamic and static balancing modes. Compared to the W820, this model includes a foot brake, which locks the wheel in place while attaching or sticking on the weights. It also features a laser pointer that marks the adhesive weight placement at the 6 o'clock position, especially useful when working with alloy rims. This model is a great choice for car services focused mainly on tire services. The last wheel balancer in this series is the W-890 model. This is the largest and most advanced model in the W8 series. It can handle almost any type of wheel, from passenger cars to motorcycles and vans, in sizes ranging from 8 to 35 inches. It features an automatic measuring arm for reading distance and diameter, as well as a built-in sonar sensor in the guard that automatically measures wheel width. There are 7 ALU programs for alloy rims, and the measurement time is just 5.5 seconds, same as in the previous models. The machine comes with an automatic positioning system that aligns the wheel at the point of imbalance. With just one press of a button, the machine will rotate the wheel to the second imbalance spot. Unlike the W870, this model doesn't use a mechanical foot brake. Instead, it features an electromechanical brake, which locks the shaft with a single button press. It also includes a built-in laser that shows where to apply adhesive weights at the 6 o'clock position, as well as LED lighting for the work area. There's also a hidden weight mode, an optimization function, dual operator mode, energy-saving mode, and much more. If the features of the W870 aren't quite enough and you're looking for a machine that has it all, the W890 is your best bet. It's a perfect choice for large car services where the operator can take full advantage of its capabilities. That's all for now. I hope you now have a better idea of how these wheel balancers differ and which one will be the best fit for you. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. And if you'd like to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.